Hey guys, how's it going? Solo back with another daily stock market update video. Today we're going to take another look at Marathon Patent Group because had a big day today. Bitcoin in general, crypto in general had a good day today. I have some really good news to report on Marathon Patent Group, so we'll touch on that. But like we always do, I'm going to show you the Robinhood trading graph today. I'm going to update the technical analysis to see if we can predict how Mara is going to trade for the rest of the week. And like we always do, we'll end the video with the option flow data so we can see what the big money investors, what the institutions were doing with Mara today. So I think it's going to be a good episode. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. Looking at the heat map here, you can see a lot of green on the board. So again, another nice rebound day today. We had a green day yesterday. We were deep red last Friday, so it's a good rebound 2 days in a row now in the market in general, so really happy about that. Let's get right into it. Let's take a look at Marathon Patent Group, or Mara, on Robinhood. Take a look at this. Up 9.6% on the day, and then we're up another 1.2% as I'm making this video in after hours trading. So on the week, we're looking really good on Mara right now. We're up almost 35% over the past week, over the past month. Basically, you would have doubled your money, up 104%. Past 3 months, up almost 1,000%, 985%. So we're looking really good there. The options chain last we checked was pretty juicy on Mara. Let's just take a quick peek to make sure it's still juicy. So if you want to sell some cash secured puts that expire this Friday, and now keep in mind today's Tuesday, so only 3 more trading days left, you would collect $149 in premium or $2,300 in collateral. So you would get a return on risk calculated to be 6.5%. Not bad for just a little over a half a week of trading left. So that would be equivalent to about 13% for the week, which is what we calculated early on in the week over the weekend. So still a lot of juice left in Mara if you wanted to sell a weekly option for this week. But of course, you can get more juice if you go to the following week, February 12th. Just out of curiosity, let's see, you would collect $310 for, again, $2,300 in collateral. So that's a return on risk of 13.5%. You know, not that bad, but I would expect more, to be honest with you, going a week and a half out. But like I said, I primarily like weeklies. That's just my trading style. I don't have any positions right now on Mara yet. I kind of want to see what the market is doing right now overall. I want to let it cool down because we've had these meme stocks. We're talking AMC, Nokia, GameStop, just kind of putting the market on tilt right now. Kind of wanted some of the craziness to just cool off a little bit so I can get a good idea of what the market is doing. But I do have my positions left on Corsair, so I am in the market as I'm making this video. Let's take a look at Riot today, just out of curiosity. Riot blockchain still up 7.56% today, basically flat after hours as I'm making this video, 0.00%. And look at that Bitcoin. This is one of the reasons why Mara and Riot had a good day today. Bitcoin is up over 5.4% today. Look at this. It's hovering almost, it's knocking on the door of $36,000. So we're finally getting out of that gutter of like the low 30,000s, 31, 32,000s. We're finally creeping back up to the mid 35s. Hopefully we can keep going up to 40 again. But on the week, Bitcoin is looking good. Again, up 11% on the week. On the month, up 16%. So overall, Bitcoin seems to be making a nice recovery today. So happy about that as well. Let me show you this news article that came out today. So this one is again out of Yahoo Finance. And first and foremost, this news just broke basically as the market closed that Jeff Bezos is going to step down as CEO of Amazon. So obviously some big moves in Amazon today because of this news, and probably tomorrow morning or after hours trading or pre-market because of this. But as you can see, they put a huge banner up here for breaking news. But let's talk about Mara. So here's the other piece of good news that really came out today for Mara, and that's Bitmain ships 4,000 Antminer S-19 Pro miners to Marathon Patent Group. So they are now receiving, or they've received basically, new Bitcoin miners. So they just got 4,000 of these. And right now it says their current fleet consists of 2,560 miners generating 248 petahashes per second. And each S-19 Pro miner produces 110 terahashes per second. So right now, it says the company's mining fleet will consist of 6,560 miners producing approximately 688 petahashes per second, which represents a 256% increase of their current hash rate production. So to date, the company has purchased over 103,000 miners, which of course they all have not been deployed yet. But once they are received and deployed, they're going to combine to produce approximately 10.36 exahashes per second. So they even say right here, the 4000 S19 Pro miners is the first of many we will be receiving from Bitmain in 2021 as we build towards becoming one of the largest and most efficient miners in North America. They expect all 4,000 of these miners to be installed by the end of the month, and based on their current schedule, they anticipate receiving and installing an additional 6,300 miners in March and another 4,800 in April. So, wow. I mean, if you are bullish on Mara for the next basically 2 to 3 months, this might be a great time to get in on the stock. Of course, not financial advice. I currently don't own any positions in Mara, whether shares or options, but they're looking like they're buying and receiving a lot of miners in the coming months. So they're going to be able to obviously mine Bitcoin at a faster and faster rate. So that's great news. Take a look at this. This last paragraph says, according to publicly available Bitcoin profit calculators, if all the miners we have purchased were deployed today and Bitcoin's price was $30,000 a Bitcoin, which is obviously $5,000 less than what I just showed you right now, we would produce approximately 55 to 60 Bitcoins per day at an average cost of $4,541 per Bitcoin, and would generate $51.5 million in revenue per month and $43.6% million in gross profit per month. So, wow. If Mara can pull this off and they get all these Bit miners up and running and they're mining these coins and Bitcoin value keeps going up, this company is going to have a huge valuation by the end of the year if their plan goes according to what they say it will. So definitely going to keep an eye on Mara, not sleeping on this stock right now. Let's take a look at the TradingView graph here to see if we can do some updated technical analysis. I mean, this parallel channel that's just up and up and up, we're still in the thick of it. I mean, take a look at this. We had this red day there. I made my last Mara video 2 days ago. We had a kind of a boring day, if you want to call it that. Not a lot of price action yesterday. Today, another green day. But look at this. We're right smack dab still in this upward channel. So my TA, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to keep going with it in that I think we're still just going to go up and to the right. I've said before, I'm not going to get worried or get bearish on Mara until, or if I should say, the stock price starts dipping below this parallel channel. Until it starts getting down here out of this channel, I'm not going to worry about it because it's on the up and up every single day, it seems like. So, gosh, you know, I had some puts on Mara in the weeks past, made some good money. I never owned shares of Mara, but maybe I should buy some shares. I'm not sure because everything looks like it's just up and to the right. So the nice thing or the interesting thing about Mara today was this orange line is the 21-day moving average. And if I zoom in here, take a look at this. The intraday low stopped right at the 21-day moving average, which is about a little over $20. So that tells me that this is going to be a pretty good area of support. And right now, the other level of support I have is at about $20, this trend line here. So I'm really liking Mara. Honestly, if I have some money left over, maybe I'll open some cash secured puts on Mara, but I'm definitely going to want to be below $20, below this area of support, maybe even below $17 and change to be below 2 levels of support. But again, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research before making any trade. Don't listen to me. But let's end the video looking at the option flow data on Marathon Patent Group to see what the big money investors were doing today. So here's the Trade UI platform that I used to get my option flow data. You can see a total of 28 sweeps came in on Mara today. And of those 28, 17 were calls and 11 were puts. I've sorted these by valuation of the option. So the most valued option came in at $207,500. And that was for a call option that was in the money for February 19th expiration. The second highest valued was for basically $191,000 for a Friday. It was a weekly for, again, another in the money call option. So the top 3 values were total of about a little over $500,000. They were all call options, so very bullish. We do have some puts that came in for at the $22 and $23 strikes. So that was for about $200,000 to $300,000 in total combined. So a little bit of a bearish play there, but overall kind of a mixed bag. You can see a mixture of red and green, but overall the calls outnumbered the puts. Let's see if we can find any very bullish plays that were out of the money. I mean, here's a 27 strike call for $53,000. So if someone is betting that Mara is going to get to 27 or higher in just about 2 to 3 weeks, By February 19th, there's another 25 strike call for the following week, February 26th. Some more 25 strike calls. Here's a 2650 call for, wow, February 12th. Someone is putting in $76,000 thinking that Mara is going to get to around 2650 or higher in about 2 weeks. So that's very bullish and very aggressive. But overall, I think just overall great day for crypto in general, great day for Riot Blockchain, great day for Marathon Patent Group. I mean, even Dogecoin has been getting in on the action lately. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you have any crypto coins or crypto shares or options on right now? Let me know what they are in the comments below. As always, make sure you join the Discord server if you're not in there already. Add me on Twitter, StockTwits, Instagram, and Reddit, and I'll see you on the moon.